Data Interpretation Decoded. Understanding GRE Quantitative Sets. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an essential component of the GRE's Quantitative Reasoning section, Data Interpretation Sets. If you're preparing for your GRE or just curious about how data is represented and interpreted, you're in the right place. Let's unlock the secrets to mastering this topic. Data interpretation sets in the GRE Quantitative section present data in various formats: tables, line graphs, bar graphs, pie charts, and more. The primary goal here is to assess your ability to understand, interpret, and analyze quantitative data. Remember, it's not just about the numbers, it's about understanding the story they tell. In data interpretation sets, you might encounter 1. Percentage questions. These will ask about the percentage increase or decrease or ask you to compare percentages across data points. 2. Value extraction. These questions require you to simply identify and pull values from the given data. 3. Comparative analysis. Here, you'll be asked to compare two or more datasets or parts of a single dataset. 4. Inference-based questions. These will ask you to make logical inferences or deductions based on the presented data. 1. Stay calm and read carefully. The datasets can look overwhelming, but remember to take a deep breath and read the given information carefully. 2. Simplify the data. Before diving into the questions, get a general sense of what the data is showing. Are there any evident trends or patterns? 3. Use rough calculations. In many cases, an approximate value is good enough to answer a question. Don't waste time on perfect arithmetic if you don't have to. 4. Be wary of units. Ensure you're paying attention to the units being used, especially when the datasets involve different measurements. The more you expose yourself to different types of datasets and the kinds of questions asked about them, the better equipped you'll be on test day. Try to solve a variety of problems, especially from official GRE materials, to get a feel for the real test. Remember, every mistake in practice is a lesson learned for the actual exam. There you have it. A quick guide to data interpretation sets on the GRE Quantitative Reasoning section. With focus, practice, and the right approach, you can excel in this area. Wishing you the best of luck in your GRE preparation, and remember, every data set tells a story. It's up to you to understand and narrate it. Happy studying!